Welcome to Waggener High School. I am Dr. Sarah Hitchings, the proud principal of Waggener, and I'd like to show you all the amazing things Waggener has to offer and why you should make Waggener your high school home. Waggener High School is an Academies of Louisville school with 8 distinct career pathway options leading to industry certifications. In addition to career readiness, Waggener's College Now program allows our students to earn college credit now before arriving on campus of your chosen university. Waggener also boasts championship athletic and extracurricular programs and provides students with rewarding community engagement opportunities. Our campus is located at 330 South Hubbards Lane in the beautiful and bustling St. Matthews community. We are nestled between a wealth of businesses and community partners who contribute to our students' learning experiences by donating their time, talent, and funding to our industry certification and degree programs. Currently, 900 amazing students attend Waggener High School. We're actually the 3rd smallest high school in JCBS. We love this. This enables us to form a tight-knit community that allows each and every student to thrive. Even though we are small in comparison to our neighboring JCBS high schools, we still offer all the courses, programs, and extracurriculars needed to set you apart from the crowd. You will not sacrifice a thing in experience, but you will gain tremendously in personalized attention and support. Please come inside with me and take a look. I'd like you to see why Waggener is a cut above the rest for yourself. Welcome to Waggener, future Wildcats. Our front lobby showcases a blend of our rich history with modern recognitions. Waggener High School was founded in 1954, and we are blessed with involved alumni from the last 6 decades who show endless support to our students and school community. The lobby's center crest, a gift from Waggener's graduating class of 1964, is a great example. Our lobby celebrates our U.S. News and World Report bronze medal recognition. What can Waggener do for you? Well, this national publications definition of our school answers that question for you. Waggener High School is a great high school that serves all of its students well and produces measurable academic outcomes to show it is successfully educating its students' body across a range of performance indicators. As an Academies of Louisville school, Waggener offers 3 outstanding career academies. The A wing of our first floor and the second floor, just above the lobby in the front of the building, houses our award-winning Freshman Academy. All incoming 9th graders, so you, next year, will be members of Waggener's nationally accredited Freshman Academy. Waggener's Freshman Academy obtained model status from the National Career Academy Coalition, NCAC, last spring, becoming the first accredited academy not only in the district, but in the state of Kentucky. Our 9th grade career exploration course is one reason for our Freshman Academy's model distinction. This course will allow you to thoroughly research each pathway of study available in our 2 upperclassmen career academies, the Health Science Academy and the IT and Law Academy, and make an informed choice for your 10th through 12th grade years with us. This course also provides valuable financial literacy content through a partnership with the Commonwealth Credit Union. Our 9th graders with the required 2.5 GPA simultaneously take Waggener's Career Exploration course in the Freshman Academy with an 8-week online course from WKU to bank their first college credit as a freshman to kick off their College Now program. All core content teachers, as well as a designated Academy principal, Dr. Tiffany Nosley, and a dedicated Academy counselor, Mr. Andrew Thomas, are housed in our Freshman Academy for accessible and personalized support to our 9th graders. Our Freshman Academy teachers present engaging instruction to students through authentic project-based learning with cross-curricular connections. Waggener School Library is positioned in the middle of the building and is easily accessible by students from all academies. Our Library Media Center was recently renovated and upgraded with new furniture and shelving. The space is a perfect location to study or research as it contains a full computer lab and PBL space with access to Chromebooks as well. Waggener's Health Science Academy, housed on the first floor in the back of the building, offers career pathway choices in high-demand healthcare fields such as Project Lead the Way Biomedical Sciences, Pre-Nursing, EKG, and Allied Health. Each pathway encompasses a 4-course sequence, accumulating in a senior capstone course with industry certification and dual credit potential. Our Waggener Wildcats graduate from our Health Science Academy with not only high school diplomas, but armed with entry-level industry certifications such as M&A, EKG technician, or allied health biomedical NOCTI. Many of them are already working in the field and with college credit under their belt before they graduate. Like the Freshman Academy, 10th through 12th graders in our Health Science Academy are assigned a dedicated principal, Mr. Adam Achen, and Academy counselor, Ms. Mary Ann Tackett, to provide individualized support for the remainder of students' high school career. We will be cutting the ribbon this year in the newest facility of our Health Science Academy, our Allied Health Pathways Sports Medicine Complex. This space, conveniently located right next to our athletic facilities, provides state-of-the-art equipment for students to get hands-on experience in treating patients within the allied health sports medicine field. Wagner's IT and Law Academy, housed primarily on the third floor of our building, offers career pathways in computer science, web development, pre-law, and teaching and learning. In addition to real-world work experience, each pathway gives students the potential to earn dual credit and industry certifications. Our IT pathways offer students a choice of earning over 15 high-demand industry certifications, such as programming using Python or Java, as well as the entirety of the Adobe suite. Consistent with each of the other academies, if Wagner's IT and Law Academy is your choice, Mr. Trent Bates will serve as your Academy Principal and Ms. Christy Brockman will serve as your Academy Counselor, providing support all the way through graduation. Not only are the facilities of our IT and Law Academy impressive, they are brand new. We can't wait to welcome new Wildcats and give you access to our amazing Mac Lab and courtroom. The addition of the Mac Lab has allowed us to offer students a highly sought-after computer science industry certification and app development through a partnership with the James Graham Brown Cancer Center. Our IT and Law courtroom houses state-of-the-art JAVS audio-video equipment, the same digital technology utilized by every courtroom in Kentucky and courtrooms around the world. It is in this real-world setting that pre-law students hone their public speaking and trial advocacy skills in preparation for a career in law or other professional field. And as far as spaces go, students in our teaching and learning pathway aren't restricted to just our campus. Our teaching and learning students frequently travel to both neighboring St. Matthews Elementary and the University of Louisville to fine-tune instructional practices. It's so exciting to see our students learning firsthand how to become amazing teachers. All three of our academies, the Freshman Academy, Health Science Academy, and the IT and Law Academy, have the support of community, business, and post-secondary partners who offer our students an abundance of experiences such as industry tours, mentoring, mock interviews, job shadow opportunities, and apprenticeships. Wagner's College Now program is offered to students as early as the 9th grade. Our unique program is designed to offer high school students the opportunity to earn college credits with reduced tuition through partnerships with several Kentucky universities. Our partner schools currently include University of Louisville, WKU, JCTC, and Sullivan. The course offerings include English, math, history, pre-nursing, pre-law, and pre-education, with many new courses on the horizon. Students at Wagner explore access, equity, diversity, participation, and human rights through community engagement and service. In addition to developing compassion and tolerance through their contributions to community, our students document these experiences on their MobileServe app and are ahead of the game when applying for scholarships and internships. Wagner High School is not only an Academy of Louisville school with an intense focus on career pathways, but we also have robust art and music programs. Our students have the option of taking band, orchestra, choir, and art all 4 years of high school. At Wagner, we pride ourselves on creating an elite experience for our student athletes. Our Wagner Wildcats have access to state-of-the-art facilities and participate on championship caliber teams. Wagner Athletics is where individual student athletes lead to championship teams. Both Wagner's small and large gymnasiums were recently renovated and feature newly resurfaced floors, upgraded lighting and heating and air conditioning, new scoreboards, bleachers, basketball goals, competition wrestling mat, bench chairs and score tables, and weight room and locker room upgrades. Our Wagner athletic teams feature numerous players as all-region selections and award-winning coaches. Specifically, our boys basketball team has recently produced 16 collegiate players, 4 in Division I. Our track within our football stadium was just resurfaced as an 8-lane, 400-meter NCAA certified track with all field event amenities. New scoreboards, a sound system, and a beautiful Bermuda surface for the football field have all been recent additions. Our Waggener High School Alumni Association funded a beautiful Veterans Memorial, brick pathway, and entrance gate to our football stadium. Like our allied health students, all Waggener student athletes have access to our sports medicine complex for all athletic training needs. Why Waggener? Waggener High School is the most beautiful campus in JCPS, and we'd love for you to call it your high school home. Our mission at Waggener is making all students college and career ready, one Wildcat at a time. So come on, Wildcats, start your journey to success with us. We hope this virtual tour has given you a glimpse of all the amazing things that Waggener has to offer. Please visit our website for more information. We'll see you soon, Wildcats.